Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install DEV C++ in a Windows 11 operating system. So let's begin. Now in my previous videos I have already shown you how to install code blocks along with MinGW compiler. So you can also use code blocks. So if you want to use code blocks for C and C++ programming, then you can watch the video. I'll be putting the link in the description so you can also install code blocks, but in this video I'm going to show you about DEV C++. Right, so to install DEV C++ you need to first simply go to your Chrome browser, and in the address bar you need to just simply type DEV C++ download, then enter. And then you can see that our first search result is from sourceforce.net with download DEV C++. Right, so just simply click on that, and you can see that our official site of the sourceforce.net has been rightly opened over here with DEV C++ as our download. Right, so here you need to just simply click on this download button to basically start downloading our DEV C++. So it will start downloading after 5 seconds, and you can see it has rightly started downloading. Right, so if you just simply click on the show all, you can see it has rightly started downloading. Since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it, and if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see that DEV C++ 5.11 with our GCC 4.9.2 has been rightly downloaded over here. Now to install, you need to just simply double click on it, and this is going to ask you for administrative privileges. So for that, just simply click on yes, and you can see that our DEV C++ installation wizard has been rightly opened over here. So let us first minimize our download directory and our installer language. It is asking which language you would like to choose. I am going to choose English, and then just simply click on OK. And this is basically our license agreement, so you can always read that, and then just simply click on I agree. So these are the files that they're going to be installed, right? So this TDM GCC 4.9.2 compiler is what we are going to use, right? So keep this as default, and then just simply click on next. And this is going to be our installation destination, that is this C program files DEV C++. So they're going to create this DEV C CPP as a folder, new folder, right? And the thing is, you need to have 346.8 MB of free space in your C drive, right? This is very important, guys. Do check that you have that much amount of free space in your C drive. And if you want to change this installation destination, then you need to just simply click on browse, and you can do that, but I am going to keep this default. Then just simply click on install to basically start installing our DEV C++, and you can see that it has rightly started installing our DEV C++. So this entire process will take a couple of minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back right after installing our DEV C++. Yeah. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our DEV C++ 5.11 setup has been rightly completed, and our run DEV C++ 5.11 is also checked. So just simply click on finish, and this is going to launch our DEV C++. You can see our desktop icon is also created over here, right? And now it's again telling which language you would like to choose. I'm going to choose English, then just simply click on next. And now it's asking which font you would like to choose. I'm going to use this Consolas, so just simply keep this default. And now it's also asking which color you would like to choose. I'm going to keep this default, but if you want to choose it to like twilight, then you can see that its color is changed, right? But I'd like to keep this as classic plus, which is the default one. And icon is also telling that they have this genome icon, then blue and new look. So if you just simply click on genome, this icon's going to be changed, right? But again, I'm going to keep this as a new look, and then just simply click on next. And now as you can see that our DEV C++ has been configured successfully. So just simply click on OK, and our DEV C++ has been rightly launched over here. right? So this is basically the interface of our DevC++, and the compiler that we are using, this TDM GCC 4.9.2, has been directly shown over here. So all this basically means is our compiler is also installed along with our DEV C IDE. Right, so in here I'm going to show you how to write a simple hello world program. So for that you need to just simply click on file, then new, then source file, and you can see that our source file has been directly created. So I'm going to write a simple hello world program. So hash include stdio.h, right, and int main, and then we're going to inside our main method, then we are going to print. So printf hello world, right, just simply end with a semicolon and then return 0, return 0, right. So just simply write that much, and then just simply go to file, then save as, and you can see that our new document has been rightly opened over here. So just simply save this file as a proc.c, basically proc.c, and then just simply click on the save button, and you can see that our proc.c has been rightly created over here, right. And then if you just simply click on this icon called compile and run, you can see that our hello world has been directly shown in our console, right. So you can also click F11 in your keyboard to basically do the same thing, compile and run, and you can see again hello world has been directly shown, right. So hitting F11 from your keyboard will also do the same thing, right. So in this way you can easily install DevC++ in a Windows 11 operating system, and then you can easily code your C or C++ program in this IDE. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and so please do share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.